Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over with our favorite news story of the day. DC under attack by a bunch of so-called protesters. Let me just show you what's been going on over in the world of finance at Yahoo Finance. Let me just show you this here. Okay, so basically what happened was the markets just don't really care. They went up. You can see here, everything's up. Markets didn't care. The VIX was down. It's like, yeah, whatever. And Asia, England's up, or UK. So pretty crazy right now. Anyways, let's check her out on the MotiveWave here. So we have the excellent and very good setup. Nothing has changed. Virtually nothing has changed. Look, we got, as you know, this is a short. This is where harmonic scan for our chart lower than the target price. So I call those shorts. But a lot of times these don't mean a lot, but you will soon see what does mean a lot. Short. But here, look at these big moves here. This I would never thought. Euro and the Rand. There's got to be a reason for that. I should look it up, but I still didn't touch it. Let's see what else we got here. So we got some other longs here. We have talked about this for a while. Singapore and Japan. It's Asia. It's confirming to not drop, but it's staying flat for a while there. Treasury short. That would make sense when the markets are up today. Again, we have USD, the rupee up, long there, but we know about that. The Real, same thing with the Saudi. USD gets a Saudi 10-year Treasury down. Okay, so there is something definitely going on with Switzerland against the South African end. Something tells me it's the resources are going up. I'm not tracking those because I don't have access to those, but don't be surprised. It's probably. But you got here along here in the Canadian, the franc. That's still long, but again, doesn't mean a whole lot. The interesting one would be watching what happens in Asia. So we're talking about Hong Kong, but again we have a short here. Again, the British pound and the Japanese yen. What you'll know is, as said before, that the Japanese yen is no longer as strong as we thought. Up until maybe a few days ago, that would have been a yes. But where's the yen? It's all been shorting. So you have here the pound, the Turkish lira against the euro, against the yen, all looking down. So we have here Al. Thanks for watching. Message retracted. I don't know what you typed, but whatever. Germany down. Deutsche 30. SPX got another short, but you can see what's going on here. It's not dropping, but yeah, I mean it's holding on together, which is pretty good. Then we have the USD 30. If you guys can hear me okay. Not sure, I'm getting some message here, and I'm going to continue. British pound against the US dollar. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this. We are seeing the pound against the US dollar strengthening here. Now, this is what we want to watch. Gold. Thank you. I just got some weird message on my streaming software. Thanks, Al. Okay, so we've talked about gold. Gold's where the action is. You're starting to see more longs. There was a couple of shorts, and hopefully you remember my trick about where the strength is going to be. Gold in Australia. Okay, you can start to see the gold price move here against the Canadian, but we verified this for the last 2 days. Check this out. So since like mid-December, gold has been on the move, which is quite a bit. but we got 1, 2, and 3 long calls. So the more you see those, the more that tells you that that's pretty convincing. Before is that gold, number one gold storage, private gold storage is in Switzerland. So this would make sense, and that's a very solid trade. Gold in euro, same thing, but look, it's even getting you better performance, especially recently, where I guess it would spook the U.S. dollar, but it hasn't affected the U.S. markets, which is quite odd. But I can't say anything a lot. I mean, the U.S. dollar's been in a dumper for a long time, and you can see here there's some decent performance as in euro. So what everyone needs to think is that the other currencies are only getting stronger because of the dropping U.S. dollar. So again, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have one short there, but 3 out of 4 are longs. This is pretty good. So if I was a betting guy in this world, I'd be putting into gold, into Swiss franc, and gold into euro. That's a no-brainer there. Look at this, gold in British pounds. But again, if the U.S. was so strong, you got to ask yourself, why is there not gold in U.S. dollar? You don't even see it. Okay, so that just confirms what I've been saying for a long time, that the U.S. overall is getting destroyed on the markets. And as a result, the only thing that's keeping it up, and it's really not keeping it up really, is the U.S. markets. So here we're back to our gold in Japanese yen, gold in New Zealand. We've got 4 of them, it looks like. 4 longs, or 3 out of 4. But looks to get the best performance out of that bunch, you want to hold it. Looks like in Europe right now. Euro gold in Singapore, it's okay, going down. Not very convincing. Euro against the Turkish lira, got 3 of them, 3 longs there. So that might turn into another rand trade as well, potentially, with that money, with that amount. Here's our rand again, euro and rand. This I'm not a big fan of. The Deutsche 10, and that's the 10-year Bund. It's moving up a little bit. Euro, not very much. British pound against the Singapore dollar, it's flat. Here comes the treasuries. So we got a 30-year. They're looking short. They're declining actually. So, I mean, if the markets are going down as well. So here we have again. Yes, the markets are up, but you're not getting the performance if you get like a Bitcoin or a crypto. That's for sure. I mean, the U.S. markets are moving up a little bit, but I think there's going to be something brewing because of the amount of gold being lined up. I think that's a classic hedge against potential chaos, which will mean the markets will come down. 10-year Treasury still is short there. U.S. USD and Turkish lira up, or looking up. Okay, so here's one looking good, and we've talked about this, but look at the same run up and then another pullback. So this may pull back if the weather stays warm. Those are all shorts. So there you go. That's the New Zealand. So everything else I wouldn't really worry about because they're not top performers. But if I was to tell you, without a doubt, gold and Swiss franc, gold and euro would be a good set. That's classic hedging. It seems to be the case. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.